Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get into Mermaid Pose. So Mermaid Pose is a really pretty pose in its own right, and it's also a really good preparation if you're working towards King Pigeon Pose. Mermaid stretches the hips, it also opens the chest, opens and stretches the shoulders, and increases flexibility in the spine as it's a back bend as well. So I'm going to be showing you how to get into Mermaid Pose and hopefully giving you some helpful cues and some alignment tips along the way. So to begin in Mermaid Pose, it's quite useful to start off in downward facing dog. And then we want to come into pigeon pose. So crossing the leg over, settling the hips down, and kind of working into that left hip stretch. So you can bring the foot in closer to the hip, if that makes it a bit easier. And to set up for the mermaid bind, we want to bring up our right leg and hook the foot into the elbow crease. So it helps to flex the foot, you're kind of hanging onto the elbow crease, keeping the foot in place. So either the hips can face to the side. If you're working more on the back bend, you want to try and face the chest forward towards the front of the mat a bit more. So you can either grab the hands, clasping them together. I quite like to interlock the fingers. And then reach the arms up and over. So you might want to lift up your left hip a little bit. Open up the bind, keep the shoulders moving down the back. Lift the chest, engage the core. And then release the bind. So I always think about Mermaid Pose as being about opening yourself up, about creating a lot of space. So as I said before, lift that chest up, lengthen the spine. We're moving the shoulders down away from the ears to try and create a nice open mermaid bind. But also don't forget to use your bandhas and your core muscles to give that pose an inner stability, to help with the balance and to kind of give it some structure as well. So have a play with it. Ask me if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments and don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you very much.